Good morning to all. Let us revise some important question belonging trigonometric chapter, trigonometric ratio of standard angle, chapter trigonometry for class 10 from class 10 books. Very important question I am selecting the question from different books. If sin theta is equal to 4 by 5, find the value of cosec theta by 1 plus cot theta. Okay, I have taken the question from different books for your better revision in trigonometry chapter for class 9, 10, ICSE board and CBSE board also. Sin theta given 4 by 5, you have to find out the value of cosec theta by 1 plus cot theta. First of all, sin theta formula is what? P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, sin theta formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is the basic concept. This is angle theta. This 90-degree front side is hypotenuse. This one is base. This one is P, perpendicular. As for formula, sin theta is P by H. That is P by H 4 by 5 given. You have to find out base using Pythagoras theorem. Then easily you can find cosec theta, that is H by P, reciprocal of sin theta. That will be, if I put the value of P, it will cancel here. Cosec theta is equal to H by P. 1 plus cot means B by P. If I will take LCM, P cancel H by P plus B. H means here 5, perpendicular, and base we got 4 and 3. That is coming 5 by 7. This is the answer. Question number 1 completed. Let us take one more question. If tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, to prove that 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Question given tan theta is equal to 3 by 4 and you have to prove 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta root over is equal to 1 by 2. As we know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is how much? 1. Using square formula of trigonometry, putting tan theta value here 3 by 4 and finding the value of sec theta, that is 5 by 4, then easily you can find cos theta. Okay, cos theta will be reciprocal of sec theta. Sin theta easily also you can find. Sin theta means 1 minus cos square theta root over. How much you are getting? That is 3 by 5. Yes or no? 3 by 5. After that, after finding the value of sin theta, just you have to put in left hand side. What you have to prove? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta root over. Putting the value of sin theta as 3 by 5 and simplifying, you are getting 2 by 8 root over. 2 by 8 means 1 by 4 root over is 1 by 2, which is equal to right hand side. Okay. Question number 2 also completed. Let us take one more question. Second question, tan theta value. Tan theta equal to 1. If tan theta is equal to 1, find the value of 8 sin theta plus 5 cos theta by sin cube theta minus 2 cos cube theta plus 7 cos theta. Question given, tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1, it is given, and you have to find out these values. So first of all, tan theta is equal to 1 means tan theta is equal to tan 45. Tan theta is equal to 45 degree. Putting theta equal to 45 in this, that you have to find out, we can easily find the value of 8 sin theta means 8 sin 45 plus 5 cos 45 by sin cube 45 minus 2 cos cube 45 degree plus 7 cos 45. Now put the value of sin 45, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Putting the value of sin 45 and cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. I am writing the formula here, that is sin 45 equal to cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. You have to substitute the value of sin 45 and cos 45 as 1 by root 2, and after simplification, this is coming 8 plus 5, that is 13, and 1 by root 2 whole cube. Okay, after simplification you are getting, that is 2 coming, and this is the answer. Okay, let us take one more question. You have to express cosec theta and tan theta in terms of sin theta. You have to express cosec theta and tan theta in terms of sin theta. As you know, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Means cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin. I can write here. So finally, cosec theta in terms of sin, that is 1 by sin theta. This is the one answer. Again, tan theta you have to replace. Tan theta means sin by cos. Sin theta keep it there. Cos theta means 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square in terms of sin it is. Cosec theta you have to write in terms of sin theta, that is cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin. Again, tan theta you have to write in terms of sin theta. The tan theta formula is what? Sin by cos. Sin theta keep it there. Cos theta means 1 minus sin square theta root over. Because cos square plus sin square is how much? Since I am writing the formula here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Using from this formula, cos theta will be 1 minus sin square root over. You have to write in terms of sin. Next, same question, cosec theta and tan theta, you have to write in terms of cos. Cosec theta means 1 by sin, no doubt. Already written there. You have to write in terms of cos means sin theta. You have to write in terms of cos, that will be 1 minus cos square theta root over. Again, come to tan. This is the relation between cosec theta in terms of cos. That is 1 by 1 minus cos square theta root over. Now come to tan. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta formula is what? 1 minus cos square theta, because we have to write in terms of cos. Tan theta in terms of cos, that is 1 minus cos square theta root over by cos theta. In this way, this question also completed. Let us take one more question, that is I am writing already solved here, just I am explaining. Next question, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2, then you have to find out sec theta minus tan theta value. Okay. So in this question, what is given? Sec theta plus tan theta value given, that is 2, and you have to find out sec theta minus tan theta. Now apply the formula here, sec square theta minus tan square theta, as sec theta minus tan square theta 1, and this is formula is a minus b, a plus b, sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan. Now putting sec theta plus tan theta as 2, and we can find sec theta minus tan theta, which is equal to 1 by 2. This question also completed. If sec theta plus tan theta is 2, then sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by 2. Using sec square theta minus tan square theta as 1. Next question, same type. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to root 2 minus 1 given, and you have to find out cosec theta plus cot theta. Same formula you have to apply, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is equal to 1, and that formula is a cosec theta minus cot theta whole into cosec theta plus cot theta. Therefore, cosec theta plus cot theta will be how much? 1 by root 2 minus, you have to rationalize, you will get the result. If you will rationalize, you will get how much? Root 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is root 2 plus 1. This is the answer. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to how much? 1. This 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and breaking cosec square minus cot square as cosec theta minus cot theta, and into cosec theta plus cot theta. Cosec theta minus cot theta given root 2 minus 1. Therefore, cosec theta plus cot theta will be 1 by root 2 minus 1. Rationalizing denominator will get root 2 plus 1. This is the answer. Let us take one more question. Next question, it is given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 given, and you have to find out value of sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, it is given, squaring both sides. What will you get? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 1 whole square. Means sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 whole square is 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. 1, take that side, it will be 0. Therefore, sin theta into cos theta is equal to how much? 0. Means it is given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 given, and you have to find out the value of sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Next question, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, it is given, and you have to find out the value of tan theta minus cot theta. Okay. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, it is given. squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, what will you get? Tan square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 tan theta into cos theta is equal to 2 whole square is 4. Tan into cot is 1, that I written here. Now tan square theta plus cos square theta plus, it is coming minus 2, it will come 2 minus 4 means minus 2. I can write here minus 2 means minus 2 tan theta cos theta, which is equal to 0. This is nothing but tan theta minus cos theta whole square. Therefore tan theta minus cos theta will be 0 root over is 0. In this way this question also completed. Okay. Next question, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 7 by 13 given. You have to find out sin theta plus cos theta value. Do one thing, squaring the given part. I am getting this one, sin square plus cos square, that is 1, and 2 sin theta cos theta value I can easily find, taking 49 by 1 theta that side, 1 minus this. So 2 sin theta cos theta, how much you are getting? That is, if you subtract, how much you will get? Just to see, that will be 2 sin theta cos theta will be 120 by 169. Now sin theta plus cos theta whole square is what? Sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is nothing but 1, and this value I am got how much? 120 by 169. Taking LCM, you are getting 289 by 169. This is nothing but sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Therefore sin theta plus cos theta will be 289 by 169 root over, that is 17 by 13. Okay. In this way this question also completed. Okay. Thank you for today's class.